We'll solve this problem in this video. The area of a rectangle gets reduced by 80 square units if its length is reduced by 5 units and breadth is increased by 2 units. Okay, so we have a rectangular plot. If we take length as L and breadth as B, what will be the area of this rectangular plot? Area, we know it will be length into breadth. So area will be L into B. So let us write A is equal to L into B. Okay. Now what is happening? Length is reduced by 5 units. So let us draw a new rectangle. So length is reduced by 5 units. First it was L. Now we are reducing by 5 units. So we need to subtract 5 from L. And breadth is increased by 2 units. Breadth we are increasing by 2 units. So increasing means we need to plus 2 increase. Okay. Suppose this is our rectangular plot now. Okay. Now what is the area? Length into breadth. L minus 5 multiplied by B plus 2. So length now is L minus 5, breadth is B plus 2. Okay. So what is happening to this area? Tell me. The area is reduced by 80. Originally the area was L into B. Okay. Now it is reduced by 80. So originally the area was A area. It is reduced by 80. That means minus 80. So A minus 80 is the new area of this rectangular plot. Area of the new rectangular plot. So we have L minus 5, B plus 2 here. Okay. I hope you understood this one. Now what is the value of A? It is L into B. So let us substitute A is equal to L into B here. So this is L into B minus 80 is equal to, let us multiply this. L into B is LB, L into 2 is 2L, plus into plus is plus, 5 into B is 5B, minus into plus is minus, minus into plus is minus, 5 to the 10. Okay. So here this LB and this LB will get cancelled, right? LB will get cancelled. Now let us bring this all the terms on LHS. So minus 12 minus 2b, sorry, minus 12 plus 5b plus 10 and minus 80 is equal to 0. So this will give us minus 12 plus 5b minus 70 is equal to 0. This is our first equation. Okay. Minus 12 plus 5b minus 70 is equal to 0. Okay. We can take minus common and write it as 12 minus 5b plus 70 is equal to 0 also. Alright. Now, what is happening in the second scenario? See, if we increase the length by 10 units. Now, let us increase the length by 10 units. First, the length was L. Now, we are increasing by 10 units. So, the new length will be L plus 10. And decrease the breadth by 5 units. So, let us decrease the breadth by 5 units. Originally the breadth was B, we are decreasing by 5 units, so it is B minus 5. Okay, so let us say this is our rectangular plot. Now the area will be increased by 50 square units given. Now the area of this rectangular plot will be L plus 10 multiplied by B minus 5. But what is happening to the area? It is increased by 50 units. So originally the area was A. Now it is increased by 50. That means it will become A plus 50. L plus 10 multiplied by B minus 5. So what is the value of A? It is L into B. From here, A is L into B. Plus 50 is equal to, let us multiply this. L into B is LB. L into 5 is 5L with minus sign. Now 10 into B is 10B. Plus into minus is minus. 10 into 5 is 50. Again this LB and LB will get cancelled, right? Okay. If we send this 50 on the other side, what do we get? We have 0 is equal to minus 5L plus 10B and this plus 50 goes on the other side, becomes minus 50, and we have one more minus 50 here. So this will become minus 5L plus 10B minus 100. Okay, or we can write this as minus 5L plus 10B minus 100 is equal to 0. So this is our second equation. All right, we have two equations now. Two equations. Let us simplify these two equations using elimination method. First equation is 2L 5B minus 70 is equal to 0, minus 5L plus 10B minus 100 is equal to 0. Let us multiply the first equation by 5 and second equation by 2. Okay, so 5 2s will become 10, so it is minus 10L plus 25B minus 7 5s are 35. So this will give us 350 is equal to 0. 5 zeros is 0. Now multiply the second equation by 2. So 2 into 5 10L plus 2 into 20. Okay, 2 into 10 is 20. 20B minus 200 is equal to 0. When we are subtracting, we need to change the signs, right? So this minus will become plus, this will become minus, this will become plus. So minus 10L plus 10L will become 0. 25 minus 20 is 5. So we'll have 5B minus 350 plus 200. 150 is equal to 0. Okay. So we have 5B is equal to 150. This 150 goes on the other side. So B is 150 divided by 5. It is equal to 30. Okay. So breadth is equal to 30. B is equal to 30. Okay. Let us substitute the value of B is equal to 30. B is equal to 30 in the second equation, or we can substitute it in the first equation also. Okay. So let us substitute it in the first equation, that is minus 2L plus 5B minus 70 is equal to 0. So this is minus 2L plus 5 into 30 minus 70 is equal to 0. Minus 2L plus 5 into 30 is 150 minus 70 is equal to 0. Okay. So minus 12 and 150 minus 70 is 80. All right. So we have minus 2L is equal to, this 80 goes on the other side, becomes minus 80, and L will be equal to minus 80 divided by minus 2. It will give us plus 40. All right. So finally we have length is equal to 40 meters and breadth is equal to 30 meters. All right. Is it meters or shall we write units? Let us write units only. All right. So units here, length is 40 units and breadth is 30 units. This is the solution for this problem. Thank you so much for watching the video.